Mr. Kai Kelly.
Woo! Chop, he didn't fucking ass.
I announced sponsor as your son, Jeff. What's going to do? Course number 1, Mr. Ryan Martin. Points are doubled. So, I think we had, what was it, 20 and 10 in the regular part of the season. Now it's doubled, so 40 and 20. Lots of points. If Ryan Martin goes out early and you win it, guess what? You cut his lead in half. It lives ahead of you by, what, 8 points right now, something like that? Yep, that's right. That's right.
Worked out another deal with losing.
Oh, you worked out a deal with losing? What's your deal?
How about last deal?
You misunderstood.
Just a big misunderstanding.
I need to take out Ryan. Not Kai Kelly. No, it sounds a lot like. Actually read it here, so we're good to go.
That's good. Yeah, just a little miscommunication between teammates last week. When Lizzie actually beat Kai in the first round of the grade, that did not help his chances for the championship. Like I said, just a little miscommunication, but they got their signals crossed, and now they're straightened out. That's good. Good to see him right here.
Does that thing always shake in the air? Did you realize? Oh, was that him that or I heard the boom? I was in the car. It's still raining? Yeah, but not fucking trying to make a pass. I'm about to get in the car and shit myself. I didn't even know. I went back to my pit. Luckily, I made it there.
About this time, a couple hours later than we started yesterday. We started yesterday a couple hours later, but overcast, track was cold. Yep. Today, track's gonna have a little heat in it, but I don't think it's gonna have too much heat in it. It technically should be a better race track.
I don't think it'd be a greasy nut.
No, it should be a better race track.
I think it'd be legit.
It's a really good base, so like we shouldn't have to be turning these things down.
No,
we ought to be able to do.
turn it down. You know that. I walked in this morning. You don't do that. Was it? No. Yeah, I haven't been up there yet. Yeah.
Unless I've been walking a lot lately.
Couple hundred miles.
Y'all ain't been able to tell.
The game complex and I've been walking. Yeah, well, grab my boot.
It's a lot of miles.
This is my last race. This is going to be my last race with this small block anyways, man. It's only so long. It's only so long I could beat my head against the wall with this small block. I thought I could do it. I thought I could prove everybody wrong. The car is fast. It's just not consistent.
I know somebody looking for small blocks.
Well, you just run it on the ragged edge every time. So it doesn't work like that.
It's too much. I'll bring the Hemi car out next year and we'll do something.
I may retire, not even be here next year. Please. I'll come help you. Right?
That's that.
You are not going to come out here and help us in our race. Ryan Martin, this motherfucker. Ryan's gonna walk around with his Ryan Martin hat and his laptop going.
He ain't help.
He'll run through here with a fucking cape on.
That thing will have a screen on it. That'll be all.
Ain't nobody gonna see me. So he'll be standing on a table somewhere with his cape blowing around.
OG gonna have a screw blower on it next year.
Yeah.
I tell you, they don't change the fucking rules. I told Brady Taylor, I can get rid of that fucking dipshit that can't drive it.
Watch guys take call-outs, first round most of the year, and I don't really feel like that's kind of my MO, so I'm gonna drive the bucket.
Well played.
Especially if they're
That's usually everyone's
I don't think you take one from me. Betty will take one from me. Why is he beating me more than
She went left. She let go of the button. Her car drove left.
Who did?
Kayla. So we were talking about what tune up to go, and I told Brandon, I said, "Fuck it, let's just swing for it because we ain't gonna get no other information if we don't.
You know if it'll go.
You know if it'll go."
If it don't, then
What's up, baby?
Can we get put on the wall of shame?
What's the wall of shame?
In your trailer.
Oh yeah, what do you need?
Fuel pressure.
Fuel pressure regulator. If I have one, you sure can. And I think is it a?
It's like silver.
Is it a? It's a Weldon.
Yeah,
A Weldon. Weldon. Fuck,
Weldon kit.
I have a diaphragm kit.
Okay.
Or I have a regulator.
You probably just put the regulator on.
Okay. Okay.
Hobby.
Yeah. Fine. They're just gonna want me to say yeah. Let me borrow you for a minute.
Everybody wants one of those. I don't even have. We're just letting you know you're ready. I love your work. I love it. They get you out.
Hopefully you win, Ryan.
Sure. Hey, we're gonna buy you more than dinner. Thank you, baby.
That was badass. Good job. Fuck yeah, man.
Hey, Ryan.
You love you, bomb, bro. I love you too, dog.
Congratulations, bud. Congratulations.
I need to look what you got.
Damn. Hell yeah, guys. Take them all out today.
Hey, I knew Jim would lay down. I knew Jim would lay down. I knew Jim would lay down.
Huh? Oh, we're ready. No, I'm never mad at you. Never cheered for Jim so hard in my life. Yeah. Jump out my shoes. Maybe for the championship and not be in the car time. Yeah. Shit. That's weird. We did it, Rick. We did it. We've never done that before, so that was weird. Yeah. Now we celebrate in Vegas. Look, now we're gonna do it up in Vegas. Vegas is gonna have no fucking problem. Change your flight. Thursday night party is now gonna be way higher.
Congratulations, thank you guys. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate it.
Hey, you get your ass out.
Where have you been? Where you been? Woo!
Fuck yeah, baby.
Did you want to make candies?
Motherfucking fireball and it fell, boy. We champs.
You know we love you, right?
I know how much you were part of that, man.
If you know how much I love you, and I appreciate everything you've done for me in this fucking sport.
Absolutely, baby. I appreciate you. I know how much you had a big part of that. So thank you guys for real. I just told Javi, I said we couldn't get it done today, but Jim Hound got it done for us. And I know that's just as much you too. So I appreciate you very much.
Love you very much.
Thank you. Hey, good luck.
You're way better.
What? Yeah, I know, me too. Like win the event, shit, like do it right. I'll tell you what.
That's what I told him. I was like, it's weird you won, but you're sitting on the sidelines. So it's kind of cool.
I can't get down to I need to go over there and sign because I said I would, but I should be going and kissing Jim Howe in the mouth right now. Yeah, tongue and all.
I'll take care of that for you.
Come on.
Way to go, Ryan. Way to go.
Sharpie. I already did. Oh, love it.
Damn.
You got Sharpie? Oh, look, he's got one. He's going to save us. Yes, thank you. Yes. Over here.
I know why they call you the bounty hunter, because you're the real bounty hunter. Thank you, man. Oh, that's a badass hot rod, bro. Thank you. Congratulations, man. Your shit is rolling. Like, it looked good. Good job. And I know that wasn't as big for you. But good you knocked it. Look, you knocked out 1 and 2 at this race. It shows where you're at. It's a good fucking job for real. I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you, man. You guys, and hey, all y'all, the crew on this deal, you guys are all badass, okay?
Thank you, Ryan.
Hey, appreciate y'all.
Jim, I didn't like you a minute ago, but we buddies again.
I love you, Ryan.
Thank you very much.
Way to go, Ryan. Way to go!
Here was as close as you're gonna get. I don't know what that was, but that's as close as you're gonna get. What, Bubba? And start filling it up? Okay, Uncle Bean is gonna take Brody and you guys are gonna go trick or treat, okay? Okay, you wanna get another trick or treat basket?
Off the car! Off the car!
Okay. Hey, we got glass.
How many wet dreams have you fucked up? I had to break them. Oh my God.
No Prep King Season 5 Championship, and that would be Mr. Ryan Martin. Ryan, with this win, that makes you a 3-time champ.
Three-peat.
Also, before that, Season 1 and 2, you were runner-up. In my mind, that makes you the most winningest no-prep racer in the history of no-prep racing. Hell yeah! You are the top of the top. So, with this win here in Season 5, you get $100,000 and this beautiful trophy that weighs about 30 pounds and is very sharp on top, so don't stab yourself. So put your hands together for Ryan.
Fans, we appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And thanks to Discovery and Building for putting it on.